The cancellation rate is measured by dividing seller cancelled orders by the total orders received by the seller. This includes all orders that seller has cancelled before shipping. These do not include orders which are cancelled at buyer's request. Cancellation rate equals cancelled orders divided by total orders. Here are a few possible causes that can increase your cancellation rate. Out of stock issues. Issues with inventory management. Adding items with incorrect details such as price, title, etc. Issues with monitoring the stock. Scenario 1. For example, let us consider a seller Sam whose cancellation rate is high due to out-of-stock issues. The seller can consider adding the entire stock or inventory available for online sale and have a mechanism in place for monitoring the inventory. For example, hiring a dedicated staff to keep a check on the inventory on a daily basis. Seller should also think of a better forecasting mechanism. It may be a good idea to consider getting more stock as soon as online inventory is sold out to a certain limit, for example, 50%. Scenario 2. For example, let us consider seller Eva who has a high cancellation rate due to incorrect details such as pricing or title of the product. A simple yet effective way to avoid such errors is to have a regular quality checks in place for the products. Before adding products for sale online, it is a good idea to do a double check to ensure the details provided are correct. Scenario 3. For example, let us consider seller Peter, who has a high cancellation rate due to insufficient inventory management. Avoid high cancellation rate by following simple steps such as keeping a dedicated time on a daily or weekly basis to check on the inventory. Having a forecast mechanism is also a good way to avoid cancellations. You may also make use of inventory reports available in Seller Central to help with forecasting. These reports will help you understand which products are selling well, what are the daily or seasonal trends so that you can stock accordingly.